Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do techno analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Bitcoin video. Now, we're seeing a lot of consolidation right now with Bitcoin. Now, as you know, of course, the whole drama that's been going on with the FTX and how this has created a huge sell-off. Now, we're looking at Bitcoin here within these subwaves here. So, of course, this is part of something that is much larger. And we're looking at Bitcoin from that day on November 4th all the way into now. So just looking at these current price movements first is what I really wanted to look at here and just do this wave count. So if you watched the previous video, of course, I've already kind of gone through this, but you can see we had a wave 1, a wave 2, wave 3, and there's no certainty right now if we're still within the wave 4 or we're within the wave 5 right now. So this could come up a little bit more within this consolidation. And as long as it doesn't go up past this wave 1, then the wave 4 is still in play. But if the price does come down, then of course we would say that this is the wave 5 playing out right now. So a lot really up in the air at the moment, and this can go either way, but I'm still not going to be giving up on the fact that there could be this wave 5 coming down. And this could be happening at any time, especially given the fact that we have so much consolidation right now at this moment. So if we look at the Fibonacci retracement here and we look at how this has all been playing out so far, starting from where we're at within what I'm calling the wave 3 and taking it up to the wave 1. The wave 1 goes to the 382 Fibonacci level, and the wave 4 goes to around the 50% Fibonacci level. So if we were to look at this and think about where the wave 5 could be going, I'm just going to take this whole thing and I'm going to just drag this to the top of the wave 4. And given the fact that the wave 1 was down to the 382 Fibonacci level, well, of course, in this case, that would not be below the wave 3. So it would come somewhere closer within the 50% Fibonacci level, or it would come somewhere closer to the 618 Fibonacci level. And that's mostly where I'm thinking it's going to be going, between the 618 Fibonacci level and the 786 Fibonacci level. And that would be a price movement that's slightly bigger than the wave 1, but of course not bigger than the wave 3. And with that, I would think that the price of Bitcoin could be going somewhere around the price of $14,000. Which is, of course, bearish news, and we don't want to hear anything bearish because, of course, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, and no one likes hearing news like that. And but I have to think that that's a real possibility. Now, I know people have price predictions that are even lower than that, and they're going down to 13,000, 12,000. And I would think that 13,000 could still be a possibility, but 12,000, at least right now within these price movements, that doesn't sound very likely given the technicals. That would take it down much lower than where this wave 3 is. And then we'd have to assume that if it wasn't going to go down that low, that it would go down even lower than that. So I'm not that bearish to think that Bitcoin would be going down much lower than 14,000. I think 13,000 could be a possibility, but 14,000 sounds a lot more likely in my opinion. Now, panning back here, I made adjustments to Bitcoin from when it was coming down from its 52-week high, or its all-time high, I should say, that it was at a price that was around $69,000. So I adjusted the waves on this one, and now if we look at it, we can look at the previous 52-week low that we had back in the middle of June, which was for the longest time our wave 5 that we were using, and we're looking at everything else as being a correction. And that has now been turned into a wave 3. Then that little bit of a rally that we had that took us up to around $25,000 in the middle of August, that's our wave 4. And then everything that we're within right now is the wave 5. So if we look at the Fibonacci retracement here, if I was to take this and I was to take this down to look at how low the wave 5 could go, I would assume that maybe the wave 5 won't be as long as the wave 1. As a possibility, because I don't see Bitcoin going down that low in my opinion. So if I was to take this down, then if we were to look at the wave 5 coming down closer to the 236 Fibonacci level, then that would be closer to a price of around $13,000. So I'd still think that, price between 13,000 and 14,000 is very likely that we would be seeing. So I would expect that to be the case. So between 14,000, 13,000, I really think 14,000 though is going to be the number though, in my opinion. But somewhere around there is more than likely where we're going to be seeing this wave 5 going. So just to kind of put something there to have a little bit more detail in there. So anyways, I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about this. Where do you guys think that the price of Bitcoin is going to be going? Do you think it's going to be going somewhere between 14 and 13,000, or do you think it's going to be going lower? But I just want to make sure I keep you guys updated on the current price movements. I still think that we're just not out of the woods yet. And at some point, the current consolidation is going to be given out and Bitcoin is going to be dropping. Don't mean to sound bearish. I'm of course looking to just dollar cost average through all this right now and hopefully come out a winner at some point in the future, because I'm of course bullish on Bitcoin in the long run. So anyways, that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day and many other altcoins as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in the next video.